Ever notice how your TV looks fine in the day, but at night, suddenly it's like someone smeared butter on the screen? Or you're driving after sunset and bam, headlights look like exploding stars? If that sounds familiar, don't panic. It's not aliens. It's your eyes asking for help. And trust me, tonight's video could be a game changer. Because believe it or not, there are 4 simple juices you can drink before bed to help repair your eyes naturally while you sleep. Yes, while you're dreaming about grandkids or that cruise you've been planning, these drinks quietly go to work, nourishing and protecting your vision. Stick around, because the last one on this list, most people have it in the fridge right now and have no idea how powerful it is for eye health. And hey, if staying independent and seeing clearly matters to you, hit that subscribe button real quick. We share tips like this every week and you won't want to miss what's coming. Now, let's be honest, after 60 things start to change. Reading at night feels harder. That little crossword puzzle suddenly looks like a blur. And don't even talk about driving after dark. Those glares can make you want to stay home. Here's the thing. This isn't just getting old. It's your body saying, please give me some extra love. And the good news? You can. When we hit our 60s, the tiny blood vessels in the retina, those little highways delivering oxygen to your eyes, start slowing down. The macula, the center of your vision, doesn't get all the nutrients it needs. Add in a lifetime of blue light, UV rays, and oxidative stress, and your eyes are basically tired soldiers on the battlefield. So, what can help? Real nourishment, circulation, antioxidant protection. And guess what? 4 humble juices can give you all that. Harvard, Mayo Clinic, even the WHO agree. Diet plays a huge role in keeping your eyes sharp as you age. So, let's dive in. First up, the classic, carrot juice. Before you roll your eyes and say, "Oh, I've heard this since kindergarten," hear me out. Most people don't understand why carrot juice works or when it matters most. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, essential for making rhodopsin, the pigment in your retina that helps you see in low light. Without enough vitamin A, adjusting to darkness is a struggle. That's why night driving becomes scary for so many of us. Here's something you might not know. As we age, our ability to convert beta-carotene into vitamin A drops. So a few carrot sticks at lunch? Not enough. Juicing helps because it delivers beta-carotene in a super absorbable form. And timing matters. Drinking it before bed means your eyes get those nutrients right when they're in repair mode, while you sleep. Let me share a quick story. George, one of my viewers from Ohio, 68 years old, had given up driving after sunset because everything looked blurry. I suggested adding a small glass of carrot juice, just half a cup, 45 minutes before bed. 3 weeks later, he emailed me, "I can read again at night without straining, and my eyes don't feel dry in the morning." Sometimes it really is the small habits. Juice number 2 is a personal favorite. Beetroot juice. If carrot juice feeds your eyes, beet juice powers up circulation. Most vision problems aren't just about lenses or glasses. They're about blood flow. Your retina needs oxygen. If circulation slows, those delicate vessels don't deliver enough nutrients. The result? Blurry vision and slower adjustment from bright to dim light. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide. This relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, not just for your heart, but for your eyes. Research in the Journal of Nutrition shows beet juice can increase blood flow within hours. Imagine what steady use can do over weeks. Elaine, 72, from Florida, hated driving at night. The glare from headlights gave her anxiety. We added just half a glass of beet juice with dinner. A month later, she said, "I'm not rubbing my eyes in the morning anymore, and I can actually drive to my daughter's house at night without feeling nervous." If you hate the earthy taste, add a splash of lemon or a slice of apple. Just keep it simple and fresh. No bottled stuff. It loses those nitrates during processing. Next up, blueberry juice. This one tackles a silent enemy, oxidative stress. Think of it like rust on metal, but for your eyes. It comes from things like blue light, UV rays, and pollution. Over time, it weakens the macula and raises your risk for macular degeneration. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect eye tissue and help regenerate rhodopsin. That means less glare, less strain, and better night vision. Quick fact, anthocyanins are most powerful when concentrated, so a small glass of juice beats a handful of berries. Just make sure it's 100% blueberry juice, no sugary cocktails. Nancy, 75, loved knitting. But at night, the stitches blurred together. We added a quarter cup of blueberry juice an hour before bed. 2 weeks later, she said, "I'm not knitting faster, but I can finally see what I'm doing." Sometimes that's all it takes. And finally, a familiar friend, orange juice. Most people drink it for colds, but it's a powerhouse for your eyes because of vitamin C. Your eyes actually hold more vitamin C than any other part of your body. It helps build and repair collagen, which supports your cornea and retina. No collagen, no structure. Vitamin C also teams up with vitamin E to fight free radicals that damage vision over time. Here's the catch. Your body can't store vitamin C. You need a fresh supply every day. A small glass of fresh squeezed OJ before bed can replenish those levels and calm inflammation in tired eyes. Tom, a retired teacher at 70, added it to his nightly routine. A few weeks later, he said, "My eyes feel calmer in the morning, less strain. It's like they've actually had a chance to rest." Simple, right? So, there you have it. 4 juices, each with a different job. Carrot for vitamin A and low-light vision, beetroot for circulation and oxygen delivery, blueberry for antioxidant protection, orange for collagen repair and structural strength. Here's how to do it. Rotate them. Carrot on Monday, beet on Tuesday, blueberry Wednesday, orange Thursday. Then repeat, just half a glass, 45 minutes before bed. Will it work overnight? Nope, nothing does. But give it a few weeks, and you might notice small changes, less dryness, less glare, easier reading under a warm lamp. And trust me, those small wins feel big when you're living them. Your eyes have served you for decades, through late-night reading, family photos, and sunsets you'll never forget. Now, they deserve a little extra care. These 4 juices, carrot, beetroot, blueberry, and orange, are simple natural ways to nourish and protect your vision as you sleep. No gimmicks, no expensive treatments, just nature's own solutions in your glass. Start small. Make it a nightly ritual. In a few weeks, you might notice less dryness, less glare, and clearer nights. That's a gift worth giving yourself. If this helped, like, share, and tell me in the comments which juice you'll try first. Stay healthy and keep seeing life beautifully. Start simple. Pick 1 juice tonight, carrot, beetroot, blueberry, or orange, and drink about half a glass 45 minutes before bed. Rotate them through the week to give your eyes the full range of benefits. Vitamin A for night vision, nitrates for circulation, antioxidants for protection, and vitamin C for collagen repair. Don't expect overnight results, but give it 3 to 4 weeks and watch for small changes. Clearer reading, less glare, easier nights. Consistency matters more than perfection. So if you miss a night, just start again. Your eyes have worked hard for you. This is your way to give back and keep seeing life clearly. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. And if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who'd love clearer vision too. Until next time, take care of those eyes. They've been taking care of you for a long time.